Atlanta. A state judge on Tuesday refused to revoke bail deal for one of former President Donald Trump's co-defendants in the Georgia election interference case after prosecutors alleged that a series of social media posts intimidated and threatened witnesses in case. Arrow right, but Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee agreed with District Attorney Fani T. Willis that the defendant, Harrison Floyd, violated the terms of his bail agreement regarding some of his duties. He said, technical violations do not always warrant revocation, and instead instructed attorneys for Willis and Floyd to propose new, more specific bail conditions that would ban the social media posts that were the subject of Tuesday's hearing. The ruling allows Floyd to stay out of jail, at least for now, while he awaits trial. Prosecutors had asked for him to be taken into custody immediately. The prosecution alleged Tuesday that Floyd repeatedly posted social media messages in recent weeks that amounted to indirect communications with several witnesses in the case, which were prohibited by the bail agreement. In messages published on X social media platform, Jenna Ellis, one of former defendants in case who accepted plea agreement in exchange for witness testimony, Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, and Gabriel Sterling, Raffensperger's senior aide. But Willis was most concerned about former Fulton County election official Ruby Freeman, whose life was upended by death threats, even going into hiding after Trump. Rudy Giuliani and others accused her daughter, Shaye Moss, of violent counts. Votes were held in Atlanta in November 2020. Willis shared screenshots of tweets Floyd posted in recent weeks repeating false claims about Freeman's conduct as an election worker. Some users responded to Floyd's posts with hostile and racist language. One post from Floyd read, Ruby Freeman's job was to reconcile the ballots. Fulton County. Obviously we are very concerned about Ms. Freeman's safety, Willis said. McAfee agreed. It's very clear me that this bond needs to be changed, he said, adding that it should include specific references Freeman, Moss and other witnesses. I think the public safety interests that emerge from today's hearing show that there was a consequence of Floyd's actions, the judge said. Chris Kaczoroff, one of Floyd's attorneys, acknowledged that his client was nearing the line and that there were discussions about restricting his social media activity in the future. But Kaczoroff challenged the idea that tagging someone on social media means communicating directly or indirectly with that person. McAfee acknowledged that social media has clouded the current bond deal, but he disputed arguments from Floyd's lawyers that there was no way he could know who the witnesses in the case were because prosecutors had not yet shared witness lists. That's not one of the arguments I believe in, he said. The hearing took place at a time when Trump